sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Okay. They can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from plain water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they have encounters close to shores, love rocky cliffs with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Choose down rocky first. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movements of their front fingers. While their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as ladders for steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ivan, for your review. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve this without two, ready? 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that.